What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC giving you my update on my Kyosho Fazer MK2. First off, I already ran a video for this. I'm just giving an update, roundabout update, everything I did ever since I got the car. So my first thing I did was change the body. Protoform, and it's a Firebird, 1971 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Now I use this spray, what is it, Spaz Premium Paint Performance Under High Pressure. This is good, it's black, high gloss black. Also tinted the windows. Got lots of bubbles in it, but that's cool. Stickers on here, tight. Trans Am to the shaker right there. Overall, body is cool. See, the Mustang is a 1968 Ford Mustang. Also from Protoform. Part number, it's right there. 15584-40. Hard to do this in red, but I'm like, you know what? Did my Camaro in red, that was tight. And I've added these stripes. Actually, these stripes I added. Yeah, I should have heat gunned this. See, when you heat gun it soften it up and then it'll lay better. I got a heat gun there. But these decal stickers, these stripes came from AutoZone. I buy like little stripes like that from AutoZone. They still come out good. I barely made it because I had these stickers left over from another project I was doing. And I said, you know what, let me throw these on here, see how I look. Look crazy. Now this is orange. What kind of orange is this? A solid orange. I'll go to part number just in case you want to use this kind of orange. Now I did this in black on the inside. I'm gonna tint these windows also, but I'm gonna try to do that one right. You pull out the heat gun and everything, experiment a little bit. That's what this really was, a little experiment. Didn't turn out too bad. You know, inside of the car, what I did was change the center drive shaft. Instead of plastic, is aluminum. You know, I think this is one of the only aluminum part on there. Ain't too much aluminum on here. I'm gonna have to change a lot, like the front drive shaft is front and rear is plastic. Kind of want that in metal, especially if I'm gonna make it brushless. You know, I had to add my little stickers to it. I had to file the foam down too. I used the Dremel and filed that down because the body, especially the Firebird, wouldn't fit on there. Yeah, add a little Protoform sticker back there. You know, I love my stickers. But that's basically all I did to this. I didn't really upgrade the speed, the pinion, or nothing. The spur gear, I want metal. I want a metal spur gear. So I'm gonna upgrade that in future videos. But let's. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you know more about this car. Let me know. Now let's take out for a rip.